morning everyone. We are now here in Kingston, Ontario. We are exploring this city.
I'm eating plantain.
What day is today?
Saturday, August 5th.
Oh, August 5th. Wow. Look, it's so
Hot.
hot.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello. There's a street wide wide sale. That's why Natanya wants to come here. Okay. Let's see. Looks like today is busy. It's a weekend holiday. Oh, look, it's all the way up today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run out of battery to check this one. Okay, keep going. I'm good. Let's see what we will find in here. Tasty Indian. I didn't realize meron pala ditong street sale. There's a street sale here. Look.
How many?
It's gonna be a long
I've gone to some white, 20%.
street sale. Oh, here's the Batman.
More chances to win because I found
You wanna try?
No.
that's okay. Okay, still got an extra 4, maybe you can.
It's a refreshment. Okay, when there's a people, let's check it out. Maybe. Ah. See what that's going on.
Yeah, I can get them already. Are you ready to go?
What kind of animal is it?
So they are alpacas. They're
Alpaca. Oh, alpaca. Oh boy. Oh look, let's check out the baby. Wow.
I totally agree.
Wow, the baby. The gongcha. Gongcha. Ah, di pala yan. Mamaya, bili tayo. Let's buy later.
You want this?
Later, when we come back. We are here at Kingston, Ontario. This is an old street in Kingston City, where they open this street sale once a month on summer time. Moving soon. Wow. It's gonna be a long walk. Inspired cannabis. Look the house. Ice cream. Today there's a Caribana festival in Toronto, but we are here in Kingston, so I will miss that once again. Every year I'm planning to go there, but it's always a fail. Maybe next year. Promise I will do that. Wow, it's a fresh plant.
Yeah, and we're from the south. We made it from kimchi samples.
Pre-painting.
Green landscape, blue sky.
Almost finished the long walk. We're almost there. We're almost there. I'm not sure if we're hitting the Kingston City Hall, but maybe not. Let's check out this one. It's like a aerobatic performance.
After.
Got you.
We can do that after. Yeah, we're gonna find that. Oh, nice.
Kami kami Kingston. Huh? Oh, it's almost 11:30.
Like buy one get one and many more. You can come and check us out.
Is that for sample?
Yes, that's for sample. We have got teriyaki meals, chicken and beef here. Would you like to try some?
Sure.
Teriyaki. Come here. Open? Yeah. We have got some coupons like buy one get one and many more. You can come and check us out. We are located right next to Pizza.
What is this?
This is chicken teriyaki and that is beef teriyaki. Would you like to try some?
I like the beef teriyaki.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Spicy or just regular?
Oh, just the regular.
Just the regular.
Yeah.
And I like the boba.
Here you go.
Yeah,
We don't have boba samples here. You can come us at our store. Yes.
It's beside pizza.
We have
Pizza,
got
pizza?
coupons like buy
Okay.
one get one and many more. You can check us
Thank
out.
you.
May I try
Can I get the?
chicken?
Yes, spicy or just regular?
Just
Oh, she likes spicy.
No.
There you go.
Thank you, dear.
Thank you. Salamat po din.
It's about lunchtime.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a free food from Edo.
Ido.
Edo.
Chicken teriyaki, no spice. The rice is good.
It's an old grand theater. And we will try the gongcha. You want to try the gongcha?
Have some $10
Gong tea.
Thank you.
one with truffle, one with sliced flavor.
We're going inside the gongcha.
Good day, guys. We're gonna have a cha. Bubble cha.
Bubble tea. Oh. The gongcha. Let's try the gongcha.
So it's not egg white.
And
They said it was like a special
here
concoction.
we go. This is the gongchi. Gongchi. Gongcha. The gongcha of Kingston. This is what I got.